Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder Museum tour. Today we're headed to the Matchstick Marvels Museum in Gladbrook, Iowa. This is a unique and fascinating destination where we'll take a look at the extraordinary work of Pat Acton, an internationally recognized matchstick artist. This museum is dedicated entirely to showcasing Acton's matchstick models, which are painstakingly crafted from millions of tiny wooden matchsticks. Pat Acton began building with matchsticks as a hobby in 1977 when he was inspired to create a model of a country church. Over time, his passion grew and his projects became more intricate and ambitious. Acton does not use any pre-made kits or guides. Instead, he designs each model from scratch, often working from blueprints or detailed images of the real-life buildings or objects he's creating. He uses simple materials, just matchsticks and some glue, but achieves an astounding level of accuracy and detail. For example, his Notre Dame Cathedral that we'll take a look at here in just a few minutes has nearly 300,000 matchsticks, and it took more than 2 years to complete. Acton's creations span a wide range of subjects from historical landmarks to pop cultural icons. Some of his most famous models include the U.S. Capitol building. It's one of his largest works, and we're going to see that here in just a few minutes. And it's constructed with over 500,000 matchsticks and includes intricate details like the columns, the dome itself, and even the interior chambers. His other most famous matchstick model is the Notre Dame Cathedral, which uses over 300,000 matchsticks and captures the Gothic architectural elements of the cathedral in remarkable precision. Another of his most famous works is Hogwarts Castle from the Harry Potter series of books and movies. It was constructed from over 600,000 matchsticks, and it showcases the towers, courtyards, and even miniature windows that are true to the fictional setting of the books and movies. The Matchstick Marvels Museum is a family-friendly destination and appeals to visitors of all ages. People come to marvel at the craftsmanship and the incredible patience it takes to create these models. The museum does offer self-guided tours, as we're doing today, and gives much more detailed explanations about how the models were made. The museum is located in Gladbrook, Iowa. It's a very small town that's very proud of its connection to this one-of-a-kind artist. The museum does, though, operate seasonally and typically opens in the spring and closes down in the fall and has various hours throughout the year. So you may want to check their website to make sure that they are open before scheduling a visit. I hope you've enjoyed our tour here at the Matchstick Marvels Museum. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, make sure to leave a comment on which one of the models you like the best. Take care now. Bye-bye.